Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make taco base at home. It's simpler than you might think, and the fresh flavors are truly unbeatable. We'll start by gathering just a few common ingredients that you likely already have in your pantry. This easy guide will help you create a delicious and versatile foundation for your next taco night, ensuring a satisfying meal for everyone. Let's get started on this tasty journey. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's get to the cooking. The first step is to brown your ground meat in a large skillet. Use medium-high heat and break it up into small crumbles as it cooks. Once it's fully cooked through, it's important to drain any excess fat. This step ensures your taco base isn't greasy and has the best texture. It's a quick and essential part of the process. With the meat perfectly browned, it's time to infuse it with incredible flavor. Add your chopped onion and garlic to the skillet, sautéing them for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Then, stir in your carefully measured spices: 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Pour in 1/2 cup of water or broth, bring it to a gentle simmer, and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. This allows all those wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. Your homemade taco base is almost ready to enjoy. Before serving, give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings like salt and pepper to your preference. Then, simply spoon the warm, flavorful mixture into your favorite tortillas or taco shells. Don't forget to top it with all your desired fresh ingredients, such as crisp lettuce, shredded cheese, and zesty salsa. This versatile base is perfect for a quick, delicious, and satisfying meal any day of the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.